I'm on my way to pick up Abby, and this is her 9th lesson. We'll be doing a mock G1 exit road test. Once you start, that's it. No questions. They won't help you. Don't do anything that causes their foot to go to my brake. That's all you got to do. Just give them a nice smooth ride, you know. Obey the speed limits. Everywhere within the road test area is 50 unless otherwise posted.
So like not asking questions. So like what if they're like, oh, turn left, and you don't remember? Can you be like,
oh, that's fine.
Oh, so if you can be like, oh, was that left or right?
Yeah,
like you can say stuff like that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay for clarification. But what I mean is like,
oh, is the speed limit 50? Like you're supposed to know.
Right, you're
stuff
supposed
like
to know. Yeah.
And it's on LaSalle, so it's 50 whole test, which makes sense.
Or you're in the middle of doing a parallel parking, and if you ask them for any help, well, they're not going to help you.
They're not going to help you. Nobody's in the car with you.
They're testing you. So
exactly.
It's a test. So we're going to do the same thing. They won't have the radio on.
Which makes sense.
Full concentration.
Yeah.
Might feel a little awkward, but the road test, you know how long the road test is? Or
9 minutes apparently?
Yeah, it's like about between 9 minutes and 15 minutes.
Oh,
8 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Which isn't bad.
Yeah.
And when you're driving on LaSalle and stuff like that, it's not that bad.
Right. And then as you're driving along on your road test, you'll see them writing stuff down. Mm-hmm. Don't assume that it's because you're making mistakes.
They just have to,
It's broken down into 7 or 8 sections. And as you complete a section, they write, okay, it's successful or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So don't assume anything.
Yeah, okay. And then, so you always drive in the lane closest to the curb unless will they like let you know in advance, be like, stay in this lane? They will. If they want you to stay in the left lane after you complete a left turn, they'll let you know. And they give you plenty of notice too. They don't just, be like, turn
at the last
left.
second. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
They're very professional. And also,
I hope so.
their lives are in your hands, so they don't want to make things dangerous for them.
Yeah, exactly.
They don't want to put their own lives at risk.
Yeah.
So they'll give you plenty of heads up of what they want you to do.
Okay.
You just follow their instructions.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to pretend like I'm the examiner. If you're ready to go, then we'll take off.
Okay. So am I just going out?
Yeah, we'll go out to the traffic lights.
Okay.
So starting now, 7:52.